Congratulations, awesome, resilient class of 2020. You dreamed, discovered, and delivered this academic degree. Congratulations. We are so proud of you. I'm Bern Melnick, and I have the privilege of serving as Vice President for Health Promotion, University Chief Wellness Officer, and Dean of this most fantastic College of Nursing. This, as we know, is a historic time in our world. I really want to take a minute and give a shout out to all the nurses, physicians, and other health professionals who have been so courageous to work on the front lines to transform health, save lives. I know it's been disappointing that we can't be together physically for this event, but I will tell you, as I met with students and they gave me feedback on what could make this event special for them, we took your advice. I think you and your families are probably thrilled at the fact that this isn't going to be a 2.5 hour celebration. It's because of our students giving us the suggestion to separate our baccalaureate from our graduate and doctoral convocations that we decided to take your advice and do that. I know it's disappointing. I know it's hard, but we must choose to focus on what we have, not what we don't have. And I would like you to hear a quote from Nick Vujicic. He was born with a rare syndrome, without any legs and any arms. He is 37 years old today, married with children, a swimmer, and he inspires so many people. People often ask him how he manages to be happy as he is. His quick answer, I have a choice. I can be angry about not having arms or legs, but I choose to be thankful because I have a purpose. I choose gratitude. So today, I'm choosing to be thankful for each and every one of you, because I know the positive impact that you are going to make out there in the world with this new degree. I'm thankful for your resiliency, your acts of caring during this very stressful pandemic, and your determination to complete this academic degree. I'm sure you are thankful, as I am, for your wonderful family and friends who supported you through this academic journey. I am also grateful for our awesome professions. I believe they're the best on the planet. I'm also so thankful for our communications, IT, and student affairs teams, because they compiled such a fabulous virtual special convocation for you. I remain thankful every single day for our phenomenal faculty who are not only world-class, but they are wonderful human beings who care about each of our students. I'm thankful for our extraordinary executive team, including Doctors Margaret Graham, Mary Beth Happ, Cindy Anderson, Christy Browning, Wendy Bowles, Cheryl Hoying, Lauren Walt, as well as Laurel Van Drome. Bottom line, you can take care of me and my family any day. And that is a huge compliment. This is our largest graduating class in our college's history. We are graduating 293 baccalaureate students, 254 Master of Science in Nursing students, 69 Master of Healthcare Innovation students, 4 Postmaster Certificate students, 43 Master of Clinical Research students, 39 Doctor of Nursing Practice graduates, and 6 PhD graduates, for a total of 709 graduates who are going to go out there, innovate, and change the world. I would like to acknowledge Lauren Young, who will be commissioned into the United States Air Force this weekend, as well as Matthew Clark and Daniel Q, who are being commissioned this weekend into the Army. You are graduating from a very top ranked, top 10 College of Nursing in the country. But that is not what is most important. What is most important is that you're going to go out there, you're going to dream big, you're going to risk take, and you're going to deliver those dreams to make a positive impact on transforming health and improving lives. We are not an ordinary College of Nursing. We differentiate ourselves by instilling students' ability to live well. L stands for lead. Remember, you don't need a formal title to lead. I expect all of you to lead, to innovate. Goodness knows we need more innovation in our healthcare system. You have been taught how to innovate. V is for vision. That's all about dreaming big. If you remember during your orientation to the college, I asked you this: if I could be your fairy godmother and give you any dream or wish you could accomplish in the next 5 to 10 years, what will you do if you absolutely know you can't fail? I am asking you that question again today. And a couple years ago, when I asked that question of our graduates, I had a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner student tell me his dream was to have my job in 10 years. That is awesome. So cultivate those dreams. Also execute. Dreams plus execution is what's going to lead to them coming to fruition. The WELL stands for Be Wellness Focused for your patients and for yourselves. It is not selfish to prioritize your self-care. 1 out of 2 Americans today have a chronic disease, yet 80% of chronic disease is totally preventable with just a few healthy lifestyle behaviors like physical activity, healthy eating, sleeping at least 7 hours a night, and practicing regular stress reduction. You've got to put the mask on yourself first before you can take great care of other people. Take good wellness, self-care. Lastly, the E stands for evidence-based. We have a philosophy here in the college, in God we trust, but everybody else better bring data to the table. Please make sure you're delivering and leading evidence-based decision-making. Lastly, we want you to be lifelong learners. Your journey does not stop with this degree. Continue to learn all throughout your life. Lastly, your lights for the world, making an impact, local to global. Buckeyes are known for paying it forward, making a difference in the world. And I'm confident each one of you is going to make a tremendous positive impact in the world. So I always want you to remember the 3 Ds as they're critical for your success. Dream, discover, deliver. When you stay aligned with your dreams, you will never feel like you work a day in your life. So again, graduates, what are you going to do in the next 5 to 10 years if you know you will not fail? Get that dream embedded in your heart, your mind, and on paper, and put it where you can see it every single day. Now I would like to introduce our wonderful Vice Dean, Dr. Margaret Graham, who is going to present our graduate specialty and program awards.
Hello, it is with pleasure that I announce the recipients of the Master's Candidates Awards selected by the faculty. These awards are presented to students in each Advanced Practice Nurse Specialty program and the Master of Clinical Research and the Master of Healthcare Innovation programs. The recipients of these awards have shown outstanding academic excellence, leadership, and commitment to their profession. The Adult Gerontology Acute Care Nurse Practitioner Specialty Award recipient is Victoria Wind. The Adult Gerontology Clinical Nurse Specialty Award recipient is Valerie Tu. The Adult Gerontology Primary Care Nurse Practitioner Specialty Award recipient is Megan Ehrman. The Certified Nurse Midwifery Specialty Award recipient is Erica Lott. The Women's Health Nurse Practitioner Specialty Award recipient is Megan Dorsey. The Family Nurse Practitioner Specialty Online Award recipient is Nicholas Sandali. The Family Nurse Practitioner Specialty Classroom Award recipient is Kimberly Young. The Neonatal Nurse Practitioner Specialty Award recipient is Jennifer Groves. The Pediatric Acute Care Nurse Practitioner Specialty Award recipient is Emily Wells. The Pediatric Primary Care Nurse Practitioner Specialty Award recipient is Courtney Saxton. The Psychiatric Mental Health Nurse Practitioner Specialty Award recipient is Bradley Thompson. The Clinical Nurse Leader Specialty Award recipient is Julie Rogers. The Master of Clinical Research Award recipient is Christian Noble. And the Master of Healthcare Innovation Program Award recipient is Andrew Freeman. Congratulations to all of the award recipients and to all of the 2020 graduates. It is now my pleasure to introduce Madeline Mann. Madeline is a 2020 graduate of the BSN program, and she also is a peer advisor in the Office of Student Affairs, Equity, and Inclusion. Madeline will present the Educator of the Year Awards.
It is now my pleasure to present the Graduate Educator of the Year Award. Graduate students agree that she is very passionate about teaching and always goes the extra mile to help her students. She is known by her students as a dedicated educator, a reliable source of support, and has proven to be vested in her students' growth and success. Above all, her passion for being a nurse and being an educator shine through her students and her coworkers. It is now my pleasure to announce the 2020 Graduate Educator of the Year, Dr. Elizabeth Hudson. Dr. Hudson, we would like to thank you for your outstanding work as an educator at the College of Nursing. Now, I would like to introduce Dr. Angela Alston, Executive Director of Faculty Practice and Entrepreneurship and Chief Diversity Officer and Assistant Professor of Clinical Practice, to present the 2020 Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Award.
Hello. I have the honor of presenting the second Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Award in college history. The award is being given to a student that embodies our vision to remove barriers and change lives through the practice of excellence in authentic and sustained diversity, equity, and inclusion for all. A student who can appreciate the variety of differences, similarities, and dimensions among people while advocating for vulnerable groups. Jill Jones is the 2020 College of Nursing Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion awardee. Her instructor, Bobby Spring, had this to say: "As a remote online student of mine in 2 classes this fall, I haven't met Jill in person, but we have spoken by phone. I also have learned quite a bit about her in course introductions and assignments, especially discussion forums where she often shared the health concerns of persons of color. Her family has been active in their community and instilled in her the ethic of being of service. She acts as a mentor for inner city youth, primarily minority students, volunteers at MedWorks, a medical nonprofit, and participates in providing monthly meals to the people of her community. If her schedule permits, she also volunteers with the Cleveland Food Bank. Jill described to me how, as a minority student and nurse, she wants to be a role model and empower the students she mentors to work hard and follow their dreams. She has had her own struggles, but overcoming them, she has shown her student mentees that they can do the same. As a lifelong learner, she has achieved her associate degree in nursing and is now obtaining her Bachelor of Science degree in nursing. She plans to pursue her Doctor of Nursing Practice degree with the goal of addressing minority health concerns in her community as a nurse practitioner. Congratulations, Jill. Now, Dr. Molly McCauley, Assistant Professor of Clinical Practice and President of Sigma Theta Tau International Epsilon chapter will present Chapter Award.
Sigma Theta Tau International is the world's only international nursing honor society. Sigma Theta Tau International Epsilon chapter is privileged to recognize one graduate student each year at Convocation for their outstanding contributions to the nursing community and the populations that they serve. Our graduate awardee has had an exemplary performance in her career here at The Ohio State University. She is a passionate and skilled educator and student who is dedicated and honest. She has an undeniable work ethic that was witnessed during her project, Keto Prescribed, Translating Ketogenic Research Evidence into Clinical Practice. While balancing life and the workload of being a DNP student, our awardee was author on a publication and a book chapter. The Epsilon chapter is proud to award Audra Hanners with this year's graduate award. And now I would like to introduce the current Alumni Society Board President, Anastasia Christopher. She will be presenting the Alumni Choice Award.
Good afternoon, graduates, faculty, and guests. My name is Anastasia Christopher, and I am the president of the Ohio State University College of Nursing Alumni Society. You know, it doesn't seem that long ago that I was in the graduating class like you on campus here at the Ohio State University. On behalf of the 13,000 living alumni from our College of Nursing, we congratulate you. You have accomplished great things, and because of who each of you are, you will accomplish even greater things in your life and career. Steve Jobs once said, "Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do." I firmly believe that each and every one of you will go forward in your life and do just that, carrying on the tradition of excellence as an Ohio State University graduate of our College of Nursing. As you embark on this exciting new journey starting today, I urge you to stay connected with our alma mater. As an official graduate of the Ohio State University College of Nursing, you are a basic member of our Alumni Society. Take advantage of this opportunity. The Alumni Society's purpose is twofold. We support current students through scholarships and programs that promote the education and networking of nursing and health professionals. We also develop programming for past students to promote professional and social relationships with each other. As a member of the Nursing Alumni Society, you are able to maintain a close relationship with the college. You will have access to professional development opportunities, resources to help you as you progress through your career, and a network of people who are eager to support you. I encourage you to stay involved and pay forward the privilege you had of being a student here at Ohio State. Come back in the fall and celebrate homecoming, and support us as we help current students connect with the alumni in the university. I would love to meet each and every one of you personally and hear about your experiences as a new healthcare leader. Again, I wish you only the very best in everything that you do. I will leave you today with a thought from Charles Dickens. May you have a heart that never hardens, a temper that never tires, and a touch that never hurts. Now, to announce the recipient of the Alumni Choice Award, the Alumni Society has selected Markeisha Young as our 2020 recipient. Markeisha is a hardworking student who is always willing to help in any capacity. She is an RA for the Nursing and Wellness Innovations Learning Community, which houses students in pre-nursing and exploration. She has participated in numerous events for the College of Nursing while being an exemplary student. She is a leader that is a positive representative of the BSN program. Congratulations, Markeisha.
The Ohio State University College of Nursing admitted its first Doctor of Philosophy in Nursing students in 1985, with the first graduate in 1989. Since then, the program has graduated 119 PhDs. Now, on this 31st year since our first PhD graduate, we add 6 more to that number. The purpose of the Ohio State College of Nursing PhD program is to produce scholars who will contribute to the scientific basis for nursing practice. Our PhD graduates will provide leadership and scientific development of knowledge that will keep us all alive, healthy, and thriving. We are proud to welcome these 6 new scientists and scholars to the rank of those who have earned the highest possible academic degree. In recognition of your achievement, I will announce your name, the name of your advisor, and read the title of your dissertation research. Jennifer Lynn Dush, advised by Dr. Jody Ford. The dissertation title was A Critical Ethnographic Study of Food Among Adolescents in a Bantu Refugee Community with Food Insecurity in the United States. Eileen Renee Falls, advised by Dr. Mary Beth Happ. The dissertation title was Self-Management Among Preteen and Adolescent Insulin Pump Users, or SPIN. Elizabeth Nicole Hudson, advised by Dr. Bernadette Mazurek Melnick. Dissertation title is Mind Strong to Combat Bullying, a cognitive behavior skills building intervention for adolescents. Marjorie Kelly, advised by Dr. Sharon Tucker. Dissertation title was A Grounded Theory of Engaged M-Health, Self-Regulation and M-Health Synergy in Breast Cancer Survivors. Marlise Lynn Nist, advised by Dr. Rita Pickler. The dissertation title was Inflammatory Mediators of Stress Exposure and Neurodevelopment in Very Preterm Infants. Jamie Ann Rausch, advised by Dr. Jody McDaniel. The dissertation title was Secondary Analysis Investigating Effects of Marine Omega-3 Fatty Acids on Circulating Levels of Leptin and Adiponectin in Older Adults with Chronic Venous Leg Ulcers. This year, the College of Nursing is graduating the 10th class of students who have earned the professional doctorate in our field, the Doctor of Nursing Practice, or DNP. It is pursued by nurses who seek to attain the highest level of expertise in nursing practice. We are proud to have 39 in this graduating class. Please note that all of these final projects are tied directly to improving nursing practice. I will call the name of each DNP candidate along with his or her advisor's name and the title of the student's final project. Amy Jo Baldwin, advised by Dr. Orly Pittman. Final project title, A Quality Improvement Initiative to Improve Hemoglobin A1C Values and Disease Self-Management in Adult Patients with Type 2 Diabetes Living in a Medically Underserved Community. Camille C. Barker, advised by Dr. Carolyn Schubert. Final project title was The Treatment of Severe Mental Illness and Implementation, Evaluation of Assertive Community Treatment. Amy Elizabeth Betcher Smith, advised by Dr. Margaret Graham. Her final project title was The Treatment of Severe Mental Illness and Implementation and Evaluation of Assertive Community Treatment. Angela Christine Blankenship, advised by Dr. Tondi Harrison. The final project title was Increasing APRN Utilization of Evidence-Based Practice through an Education and Mentorship Program. Jeffrey Ryan Bowes, advised by Dr. Elizabeth Fitzgerald. The final project title was Implementing a Universal Adolescent Depression Screening in the primary care office. Shanna Frances Bodis, advised by Dr. Janice Stevens. Final project title was Shortage of Nurse Practitioner Preceptors, a State of Crisis. Christina Sue Brooks, advised by Dr. David Robbie. Final project title was Use of a Multimodal Pain Medication Clinical Practice Guideline to Decrease Opioid Use in Post-Cardiac Surgical Patients. Anna Fitch Curry, advised by Dr. Judith Tate. Final project title was Achieving Quality Improvement in Community Health Action Planning. Alan John Delgado, advised by Dr. Tara King. The final project title was Evaluation of Reset, an evidence-based primary care delivery model quality improvement. Aussie Mae Dorno, advised by Dr. Sharon Tucker. The final project title was Trauma-Informed Care Training Program Evaluation. Kimberly Ashcraft Fryer, advised by Dr. Susan Thrain. The final project title was Gentle Yoga as an integrative modality for chronic pain in adult cancer patients. Julia Michelle Geisert, advised by Dr. Judith Tate. The final project title was Recalibrating Surgical Benchmarks. Jane O'Grady Ginther, advised by Dr. Janine Overcash. The final project title was The Intercepting Epidemics of Opioid Use Disorder and Infectious Diseases, the role of the medical surgical nurse in providing evidence-based opioid use disorder care. Audra L. Hanners, advised by Dr. Bernadette Mazurek Melnick. Final project title, Keto Prescribed Translating Ketogenic Research Evidence into Clinical Practice. Jennifer Lynn Heister, advised by Dr. Michael Ackerman. The final project title was A Solution We Can Count On. Amy S. Yauk, advised by Dr. Jacqueline Loversige. The final project title was Development and Evaluation of an Evidence-Based Statute and Regulations for a Medical Marijuana Use Program for Ohio Nurses. Lucia Marie Jankowski, advised by Dr. Barbara Warren. Final project title was Implementation of the Maternal Mental Health Safety Bundle, Standardizing Perinatal Depression Screening and Response in a Federally Qualified Health Center. Candace Lee Jones, advised by Dr. Celia Wills. Final project title was a DNP evidence-based quality improvement project to guide provider-patient discussions on removing barriers to colorectal carcinoma screening. Brenda Joyce Kendall, advised by Dr. Carolyn Schubert. The final project title was Surgical Optimization. Elizabeth Socorra Kirshner, advised by Dr. Sharon Tucker. The final project title was Improving Vaccination Coverage in an Adult Ambulatory Rheumatology Clinic through a Quality Improvement Process. Catherine Nill, advised by Dr. Susan Thrain. The final project title was Taking a Moment, Improving Perceptions of Burnout and Well-Being in Bone Marrow Transplant Nurses using a mindfulness smartphone app. Caitlin Grace Colson. Advised by Dr. Jody McDaniel. The final project title was Improving Nurses' Detection of Delirium in Hospitalized Oncology Patients. Daniel Edward Lane. Advised by Dr. David Robbie. The final project title was Increasing Patient Safety by Engaging Organizational Leadership in an Enhanced Root Cause Analysis and Actions. Kimberly Moroli, advised by Dr. Jody Ford. The final project title was Inpatient Providers Discussion of Fertility with Newly Diagnosed Cancer Patients, a Needs Assessment. Haley Ray Mash, advised by Dr. Tondi Harrison. The final project title was Utilization of a Consistent Dog Therapy Program in a Level 1 Pediatric Emergency Department. Claire Elizabeth McIntyre, advised by Dr. Joyce Zermely. The final project title was a standardized communication tool to reduce hospital-acquired pressure injuries in surgical patients. Evangeline Okechukwu, advised by Dr. Kathy Wright. Final project title was Communication Skills Training as part of Workplace Violence Prevention Program. Colleen Mary O'Leary, advised by Dr. Jennifer Koo. The final project title was Use of a Framework to Integrate Research, Evidence-Based Practice, and Quality Improvement. Sheena Palmer, advised by Dr. Diane Morrison Beatty. The final project title was Improving Long-Acting Reversible Contraception Initiation in Pediatric Primary Care Providers, a Quality Improvement Project. Marcy Ann Peterson, advised by Dr. Celia Wills. Final project title, The Thrive Training to Improve Leadership Confidence in Responding to Staff Stress, a DNP Quality Improvement Project. Barbara Ann Potts, advised by Dr. Celia Wills. Final project was titled, A DNP Evidence-Based Quality Improvement Project to Improve Nurse-Patient Communication Process. Colin Michael Reeder, advised by Dr. Christine Browning. Final project title was Improving Bedside Procedures through the Implementation of Case-Based Simulation and Mastery Learning for Lumbar Puncture Training in Novice Advanced Practice Providers. Catherine Marie Schall, advised by Dr. Joyce Carl. Final project was titled, A DNP Evidence-Based Quality Improvement Project to Implement Harm Reduction in Patients with Multiple Myeloma. Dina Lee Siebert, advised by Dr. Jareen Baldoff. The final project was titled, Creating a Culture of Evidence-Based Practice Acceptance and Use at the Unit Level in a Large Academic Medical Center through utilization of the ARC model. Sharon Renee Simon, advised by Dr. Bernadette Mazurek Melnick. The final project was titled Nurse Practitioner Preceptor Training. Jody Lynn Smelko Schneider, advised by Dr. Oralee Pittman. The final project was titled Healthy Lifestars, a School-Based Program. Dynasty Ismaria Stokes, advised by Dr. Diane Morrison Beatty. The final project was titled Implementing Bundled HPV Immunization Approaches Within an Outpatient Military. Angela Wilson Van Meter, advised by Dr. Dave Robbie. The final project was titled Effective Integration of Electronic Medical Record Documentation in Nurse Orientation to Improve Documentation Compliance. Renee Jeanne Wright, advised by Dr. Heather Tubbs Cooley. The final project was titled Standardizing Intraoperative Nursing Handoffs Using Switch. And now Dr. Christine Browning, Assistant Dean for Graduate Clinical Programs and Associate Professor of Clinical Nursing, will present the Master of Science in Nursing program candidates.
Now I would like to recognize our Nursing Master's Program candidates. Sharem Ahmed Abdi, Haroon Abukar, Sammy Suleiman Abuquik, Lindsay Adams, Janelle Adrian Sandana Aguilon, Amanda Ellen Albert, Zara Alhajaj, Kiaya Loai Allen, Amanda Marie Almond, Jonathan Arliss Almond, Rahef Allwater, Courtney Phillips Arnold, Jessica Leah Bailey, Macy Suzanne Bailey, Holly Ann Baker, Jamie Lynn Baldridge, Helen Lee Barbas, Kristen Marie Battles, Moira Ann Beebe, Laura Michelle Bender Smith, Stacy Warren Berry, Tyler Alexander Bigham, Bethany Marie Bogans, Jamie Capera Bowling, John Robert Bedoris, Brittany Nicole Bourne, Ashley Marie Brophy, Laura Brubaker, Hannah Danielle Burris, Hannah Kakovic, Samantha Carter, Cassandra Elizabeth Cassidy, Christina Dawn Casto, Menway Andy Chow, Haley Shizu Chung, Rachel Ann Clark, Nicole Deanna Clark, Julie Ann Conklin, Jessica Lynn Conley, Jennifer Rosalie Conzett, Annabelle Cook, Kelly Francis Cook, Eleanora Catherine Coyne, Jacqueline Knapp Cropper, Alexa Sepp, Shireen Elizabeth Doherty,
John Day,
Caitlin Ann Delwich, Nicole Marie DeMaestri Kulikan, Sumi Day,
Patricia Doe.
Megan Ann Dorsey. Christopher Sean Duncan. Casey Nicole Evilsizer. Kaylee Nicole Fagert. Allison Nicole Fisher. Bethany Flanagan. Rachel Marie Flath. Erica Ann Fleshman. Jessica Emily Foster. Taylor Janae Friesen. Kaylee Ray Frank. Haley Jean Frost. Brandy Gamp. Anna Catherine Gantzer. Amelia Elizabeth Garber. Leah Kathleen Garrison. Christy Renee Gilmore. Amber Lee Goldison. Katie Jean Gordon. Melissa Amanda Gramajo. Alexandra Marie Graver. Sarah Grayson. Mary Claire Greco. Christopher George Green. Lindsay Grieve. Jennifer Lynn Groves. Sydney Marie Guyton. Heidi Jo Hafer. Arlene Hall. Emily Ann Harper. Melissa Sue Ellen Hart. Melissa Caitlin Hauser. Deborah Hayford. Jessica Yawan He. Sarah Marie Heinzman. Tiffany Marie Hemmert. Claire Herbert. Lindsay Ann Herndon. Lana Hetzel. Jennifer Lynn Hoffman. Haley Holman. Sarah O'Brien Hoppy. Taylor Crystal Hoskar. Beth Louise Hubach. Anna Hippler Hoffman. Max Allen Huffman. Hannah Marie Hull. Andre Carl Hurst. Uzma Ahaimir. Alexandra Hope Janisoff. Gabriel Patrick Jew. Jennifer Lee Johnson Byers. Amy Jones. Haley Lauren Justice. Romea Camgang. Lisa Michelle Cappy. Tara Lynn Kaufman. Elizabeth Rose Kay. Rebecca Ann Kent. Chelsea Kesselman. Candace Marie Kilbarger, Angie Jinyun Kim, Tracy Lynn King, Brianna Elise Knight, Lynn Renee Crisfalacy, Caitlin Ann Kropp, Erin Lee Cutnow, Christina Lamb, Samantha Lambert, Rima Serene Lamborghinis, Charles Douglas Lanham, Carla Ledbetter, Kelly Ann Leopold, Matthew Francis Lurch, Lori Colleen Lima, Jade Montgomery Lively, Beth Bonarico Loison, Erica Nicole Lott, Sarah Leanne Lundell, Brian Christopher Machi, Georgia Leanne Mako, Gerald Makobong, Rose Margaret Mantle, Samantha Marty, Ariel Alexandro Maestro, Stephanie Nicole Matachia, Ariel Elise McAlpin, Kayla Marie McAllister, Kristen McCann, Daniel John McGeary, Abigail McGuire, Catherine McKinnon, Stacy Mead, Angela Moline, Sarah Lee Meltzer,
Paul J. Merrill,
John Peabody Mikes, Amika Shanice Miller, Taylor Renee Miller, Kendall Taylor Murphy, Kelsey Marie Muachio, Holly Mycroft, Matthew Newcomer, Vanessa Najia, Brandy Lynn Nixon, Allison Rebecca Nolan Phillips, Elizabeth Catherine Pacino, Kaya Patel, Pooja Patel, Elizabeth Louise Patno, Ashley Marie Payne, Joshua Peltier, Nicolette Helene Pizzfarato, Julie Nicole Polson, Derek Matthew Potter, Jennifer Ann Prendergast, Shannon Michelle Prescott, Joseph Robert George Price, Nicole Suzanne Tack, Natalie Regoyutzis, Loretta Ann Rayford, Faith Ann Rieger, Leah Richardson, Ryan Christopher Riggs, Brittany Nicole Riley, Megan Bernacki Roberts, Antonia Borislavala Robinson, Julie Rogers, Holly Weiss Romer, Sarah Lynn Ruha, Lydia Celine Sandman, Nicholas Thomas Sanduli, Elizabeth Catherine Schaefer, Gina Schiavone, Christine Kadora Shinaki, Nicole Lynn Schneider, Olivia Scott, Shanley Sr., Courtney Sexton, Rebecca Aja Sheldon, Celine Rose McNamara Shank, Pavel Shishlo, Lauren Marie Siebeneler, Andrea Dawn Sims, Amy Elizabeth Sissinger, Katie Elizabeth Skinner, Victoria Jane Skinner, Brandy Nicole Smith, Casey Smith, Mary Beth Smith, Marissa Kathleen Smith, Sharita Smith, Rico Sodahima, Amelia Margaret Spalding, Kylie Rose Ann Spielis, Kimberly Spivey, Christine Renee Stallings, Emily Keeter Stallings, Randy Nicole Steckschulte, Zachary Joseph Stewart, Olivia Brooke Stone, Patricia Maureen Strickland, Brianna Catherine Swint, Mary Swatala, Sarah Taylor, Bradley David Thompson, Sarah Louise Thompson, Cody Allen Timmer, Anna Knox Tierman, Valerie Ann Toohey, Hannah Michelle Thomason, Megan Elizabeth Trapasso, Stephanie Ann Tucker, Megan Lee Ehrman, Hamida Umar, Isla Baseberg, Robert James Van Scoyoke, Kelly Elizabeth Van Tresco, Jamie Renee Vidonish, Aaron Littman Voithifer, Brittany Bonal, Jordan Scott Wade. David Lewis Walters. Dustin Logan Warren. Nicole Lee Warner. Catherine Elizabeth Warren. Lauren Weinberg. Elena Weiss. Emily Morgan Wells. Grace Elizabeth Westerlund. Taylor Ann Whitehead. Alyssa Michelle Wachansky. Claire Williams. Jennifer Ann Williams. Chelsea Wills. Rachel Lynn Wilson. Allison Brianna Winter. Shelby Ann Wolf. Melissa Renee Winorski. Victoria Marie Wind. Kristen Ann Yeager. Tasha Olivia Yaris. Kimberly Wade Young. Sos Zangana. Ayat Mustafa Ajawawadan. Ernest Hardiman. Patrick Christopher Harnett. Alyssa Renee Berhoff. I now invite Dr. Cindy Anderson to recognize the graduates of the Masters of Clinical Research and the Master of Healthcare Innovation programs.
At this time, I will announce the names of the graduates from the Master of Clinical Research program. Jonathan Akers. Ulabakola Akandade. Rajaswara Rao Arasada. Casey Atchison. Lisa Cruz. Kayla Diaz. Siobhan Dunn. Lindsay Dupree. Amy Dutcher. Justin Ellis. Mario Esquivel. Edward Ferlani. Kimberly Gabarel. Chad Gentry. Tina Marie Goebel. Allison Grau. Shannon Hainline. Aria Harder. Melanie Howell. Andrea Honeycutt. Melissa Hume. Maria Antriago Williams. Rebecca Johnson. Nina Joyce. Jacqueline Keith. Amber Larimer. Thomas Lockhart. Genesis Maldonado. Laura Marcello. Benjamin McGill, Shreleka Misra, Matthew Morrow, Christian Noval, Janan Robbie, Catherine Rathman, Tritney Robinson, Julia Ryan, Kelly Sharp, Kenneth Stearns, Cheryl Stewart, Jalen Todd, Cindy Lynn Watkins, Lachelle Watkins. Now we will recognize the graduates of the Master of Healthcare Innovation Program. Linda Andrew, Jennifer Marie Arambula, Shannon Marie Badercher, Story Renee Blake, Jordan Edward Bope, Jennifer K. Brandt, Paige Bushman, Sarah Danielle Butts, Emily McKean Cottle, Mary Ellen Clark, Lindsay Michelle Conley, Amy Leah Davison, Amy Deem, Rachel Marie Demeter, Jill Kristen DeVerse, Douglas Eck, Steve Eddington, Candace Lou Engel, Corrine Fenner, Courtney Fluckersy, Andrew Goddard Freeman, Colleen Marie Gaines, Mary Lynn Galbraith, Jason Paul Gammon, Megan Suzanne Gibson, Jennifer Ann Grishop, Sarah Grishop, Emily Marie Hart, Kiana Noel Hash, Stanley Ray Hawkins, Hannah Elizabeth Hendricks, Melissa Jean Hickman, Jill Suzanne Holbrook, Stephen Michael Horn, Tally Johns, Sheila Marie Johnson, Gingampreet Kaur, Tammy Lucinda Kiefer, Jacqueline Marie Keene, Justin Thomas Kelly, Mandy Ann Kincaid, Karina Joy Kurzals, Sherilyn Marie Lankford, Kelly Ann Lemkool, Casey Michelle Lewis, Jill Rose List. Catherine Judy Leibarger. Christine Maurer. Lauren Christine Mayer. Lisa K. McLeese. Kelsey Nicole Meadows. Goldie Ann Moritz. Rebecca Lynn Morton. Beth Ann Nikamp. Nabil Naheli. Cynthia Nunemaker. Anne-Marie Pontillo. Julie Rader. Braden Randleman. Morgan Reese. Philip Rogers. Ariane K. Scheiber. Christine Marie Schroeder. Anton Leonard Scott. Amanda Sharp. Amy Lee Sigmund. Harold Allen Strickland. Tova Weisenthal. Andrea Yegedish. Congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations on this such an important day for you. Thank you for being one of our students. Welcome to the profession. And congratulations again. Stay in touch now.
The world needs nurse leaders more than ever before. We're proud of you.
It's been so great to work with you the last couple of years. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, you did it. Take a bow.
Congratulations, Buckeye nurses and Buckeye nurse scientists. We're so proud of you.
From the faculty and staff of the RN to BSN program, we are proud of you.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Melissa Baker, and on behalf of your faculty, we wanted to say congratulations. We are so very proud of you, and get out there and change the world.
This is Kate Golick. I just wanted to say congratulations. You did it.
Hi everybody, congratulations. We're really proud of you. Good job.
Hi class of 2020. We know this hasn't been easy, and we're so proud of you. Congratulations.
To the class of 2020. Can you believe it? You're graduating. We're so proud of you. Congratulations. OH!
Congratulations on your graduation. A special shout out to Kayla, Megan, Maddie, Jill, and Jackie, Angela, and Haley. I wish you all the best.
Way to go, Paige, Ellie, Allison, Claire, Emma, and Brian. You are going to make amazing nurses. God bless you and congratulations.
Hello, Dr. Buffington here. Wishing all of you graduates the very best. We're so proud of you. All the health and wellness innovation in healthcare graduates this year and the BSN graduates. We're so proud of you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Way to go, NMP students.
Congratulations, OSU nursing graduates. I so look forward to having you as my colleagues. You're resilient, you persevered. Congratulations.
To all the graduates of the Ohio State University College of Nursing, congratulations. Wishing you all the best for the future.
Best wishes goes out to the class of 2020. We are proud of you.
2020 graduates, congratulations, and we are proud of you.
Hey, Buckeye nurses, we're so proud of you.
Dear class of 2020, we're so proud of you. Congratulations.
We're proud of you. Congratulations.
Hey, class of 2020. What an amazing accomplishment. We are so proud of you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates. We are so proud of you.
Congratulations. We are so proud of you.
We are so proud of you, class of 2020. Congratulations.
To the graduating students this semester, we are so proud of you. Congratulations.
Congratulations on your big day.
Hi friends, Janine Overcash here. Congratulations on your graduation from the Ohio State University College of Nursing.
Hi everyone, this is your community health faculty, and we just wanted to say congratulations. We're proud of you. Yes.
Congratulations! Yay! Woo!
What awesome footage from our faculty. And a last congratulations from me. I am so very proud of each and every one of you. Normally, I would give you all a hug as you walk across stage, but today I am sending you a big virtual hug. And I'm going to tell you one last story. A few years ago, I was in Thailand to give a keynote at an international conference. And after the conference, my family and I were in a long-tailed boat going to the floating market. Our guide was a retired philosophy professor, and he said to me, "Bern, we plant a hard seed in the ground here for an Asian bamboo tree. And you've got to water that seed every single day for 5 solid years. But after 5 years of watering, it breaks ground and then it grows 90 feet in 90 days. I said, "Really?" He said, "Bern, let me ask you a question. Do you think that tree grew 90 feet in 90 days or 5 years and 90 days?" And of course, that was the answer. 5 years of watering until it broke ground. And the reason I'm ending with that story is I don't want you to ever give up on your dreams. Never let anybody take your dreams away. Stay persistent through the character builders until you accomplish those dreams. So my last question for you again today: what are you going to do in the next 5 to 10 years if you cannot fail? Write it down. Put a date on it. Put it where you can see it every day. Research has shown those people who write their dreams down and look at them daily really do accomplish them at higher rates. So congratulations again. I want you to join us in Singing Carmen, Ohio. We're actually featuring 4 of our fabulous faculty vocalists. Keep dreaming, discovering, and delivering. Go Bucks!
Oh,